In this video, I'm going to show you how to change hair color in Gimp step by step, even if you're a complete beginner. This is a simple and creative way to make your portraits look more polished, dramatic, or just more fun, and the best part is you can do it without ruining your original photo. If you like quick and practical editing tutorials like this, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more Gimp tips and tricks. Let's jump right in. First, open Gimp and load the photo you want to edit. Once your image is open, look over to the Layers panel on the right side. Before making any changes, it's always a smart idea to duplicate your main layer. To do that, right-click on the image layer and choose Duplicate Layer. This gives you a backup, so if you make a mistake or want to compare results later, your original image is still safe. Now that you've created your duplicate, it's time to isolate the hair. For this step, you can use the Free Select tool, which is also called the Lasso tool. You can activate it by pressing F on your keyboard. If you prefer, you can also use the Fuzzy Select tool by pressing U, especially if the hair is clearly separated from the background. The goal here is to carefully select only the hair area you want to recolor. Take your time with the selection. Click and trace around the hair as accurately as you can. If you are using the Free Select tool, keep following the hairline and close the selection by connecting back to your starting point. Once the selection is complete, press Enter to activate it. You should now see the selected area outlined clearly on the image. With the hair selected, go up to the Colors menu at the top of Gimp. From there, choose Color Balance. This is the tool that will let you shift the tone of the selected hair and give it a new color. In the Color Balance window, you'll usually want to adjust shadows or midtones depending on the hair color and the effect you want to create. Shadows are great for deeper, darker hair changes, while midtones are often better if you want the color shift to show up more naturally. Now start adjusting the color levels slowly. Move the sliders and watch how the hair changes in real time. You can push it toward red, green, or blue depending on the style you're going for. If you want a natural-looking hair dye effect, keep the changes subtle. If you want something bold and artistic, you can go further and create a more dramatic transformation. The key is to make small adjustments and check the results as you go. Once you're happy with the hair color, click OK to apply the changes. At this point, your edited hair should already look much different but still blended into the photo. To see the full image clearly and remove the selection outline, go to Select in the top menu, then click None. This will deselect the hair so you can review the final result without any distracting selection lines. And that's it, you've successfully changed hair color in Gimp. It's a fast and easy technique that can completely transform a portrait. And once you practice it a few times, you'll be able to do it in just a few minutes. If this tutorial helped you out, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comments what other Gimp editing tutorials you want to see next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.